Remember that wild rock we posted a few weeks back? The one that looked like Zeus himself etched a blue lightning bolt on it? Yeah, that one. Spoiler alert, we're thinking it's a Thunderegg. Now if you're scratching your head wondering what in the world is a Thunderegg, think of it like nature's Kinder Surprise, except you don't eat them, you cut them open. These geologic wonders are formed in rhyolitic lava flows, which is just a fancy way of saying volcano goes boom, cool rocks form. Inside, they're usually filled with agates, quartz, or other mineral goodies. It's Mother Nature's way of saying surprise. Side note, didn't Kinder Surprise get banned in the US? Anyways, what's hidden inside this one? A starburst of crystals? A psychedelic mineral show? A toy? Only one way to find out. Alright, enough chit chat. Let's see if the inside of this rock is as electrifying as its exterior. Drumroll please. Holy smokes, look at that. Think you can top this Thunderegg reveal? Would love to see it. Drop your photos and stories in the comment section and let's see who's got the most jaw-dropping find. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that like button and share this to your rock hunting friends. You don't want to miss the rock we're about to cut open next.